Hello viewers, welcome to carandbike, and today we are at the launch of the brand new Aprilia Tuareg 660. This is a brand new middleweight adventure focused motorcycle that has been launched in India, and it is already on sale in the international market, and it has got a lot of praises, good reviews from the international reviewers and from motorcyclists as well. So as you can see, this motorcycle has got a very striking design. Yes, it has the look and feel of an adventure motorcycle, but along with that, it is quite striking. It's got the typically a very unique headlamp, and it's got a very tall stance of an adventure motorcycle. You get a big 18-liter fuel tank, and along with that, the seat height on this motorcycle is 860 mm. You have a long and slim seat, but the seat at 860 mm is going to be a bit difficult for average height riders. Moving further to the front side of the motorcycle, you get a 2118 wheel setup. Especially, you have got tubeless fork wheels, okay, that are shoved with these Pirelli STRs. So that's a really good and a very purposeful combination to go with. Coming to the engine side of things, this motorcycle is powered by a 659cc parallel twin motor that has been borrowed from the RS 660 and the 200 660. On this motorcycle, it churns out 80 bhp and 70 Nm of torque, and is paired to a 6-speed gearbox with a bidirectional quick shifter, which is an optional accessory. Coming to the feature side of things, you get a 5-inch TFT screen, and along with that, you can toggle different modes. You get 4 different modes to choose from. You have switchable traction control and ABS and cruise control as well. If you go to see the suspension part, this gets 240 mm of travel at both ends. It's got 260 mm of ground clearance as well. So that's a lot for you to play around with and go dune hunting or get off to the trails and do proper kind of off-roading with this motorcycle. Coming to the main elephant in the room, which is the pricing for this motorcycle. Now, Aprilia has priced this motorcycle as 18.86 lakh for the empty level variant, and this being the top spec variant which comes with this Dakar livery is priced at 19.16 lakh ex-showroom. So that is quite a hefty price tag to consider given the market when you have got competition from the V-Storm 800DE and also the Honda Transam. That is on the displacement front. Apart from that, you also have the Triumph Cycle 900. You also have the BMW 850 GS and also the X. So there's a lot of competition in the market, and with that price tag that Aprilia has on this motorcycle, it is something that we also are wondering how is Aprilia going to perform in terms of sales numbers for a CP motorcycle like this. But that's about it for now. Hope you have liked this video. If you have, do give us a like and do share it with your friends and your loved ones. Thank you for watching Carandbike.